Hey y'all, welcome back to the Queendom. It is your girl Nene and I am so excited to be back visiting you guys, and today is going to be a really interesting and fun video. So today I am giving you another bomb affordable dupe for one of the Sensationell wet lace wigs. Now you guys know those wigs are bomb. I have reviewed just about all of them, but the thing is they run you about $60. And I don't know about y'all, but your girl can't be forking out $60 every time. So I have come up with this series to give you guys affordable dupes for those wet lace wigs. Now, I have given you dupes for quite a few of them, and soon I will have dupes for all of them. But today we are focusing on the wig Sensationell wet lace Danzie. Now, I have given you a dupe before from Danzie, but this time I have two affordable options for you as well if you want that type of style. So I hope you ladies enjoyed this video, and please make sure you share before you leave. So we're going to go ahead and hop right into it. Both of these units come from Samsbeauty.com. They sent me the second unit I'm going to show you, and the first one is also available on their site. And both of these resemble the structure, texture, and also the overall look of the Sensationell wet lace Danzie wig. Now, if you're interested in the Danzie wig, they do carry it also on Samsbeauty.com. So if you have the coins, girl, go ahead and spend that money. But if not, you can also get these two affordable units from them as well. So the first one is a shorter version. You guys know Danzie is super huge and big, so I picked up a shorter dupe for this unit. It's the same style, texture, and overall look, but this one is less volume and it's more of an everyday wig compared to Danzie. So this is the first unit that I'm going to be showing you guys. Now, this is my first time trying both of these units I'm going to give you today. This one is a lace part. It's not a lace front unit. It has two combs on the side, one on the side of the part and one near the ear tab. And then it has a comb in the nape, as well as adjustable straps. So y'all, this hair is so thick like Danzie. I can't even really flip the cap inside out like I would show you guys, but this is what the cap looks like, and that's what the party looks like as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. Before I do that though, I'm gonna take my lace tint spray and I'm just gonna spray it a little bit more on my cap. You guys know I did review this lace tint spray, how to use it, and I'm also having a giveaway on it. So if you guys want to copy some free lace tint spray, I'm giving away 3 different shades. So I will try and tag the video up here somewhere and put it in the end screen so you can go and enter. So those of you that did enter, thank y'all so much. I will have the winners out to you this week, most likely on Friday. So we just wrapped up a fall lookbook giveaway. Shout out to those winners as well. They did receive their wigs, and I will have another fall lookbook giveaway. Well, it won't be a giveaway, I'm sorry y'all, a fall lookbook similar to those colors in different styles. So I'm super excited about that, and of course it's going to be affordable. So here is the unit. Y'all, look at the curl pattern. Like I said, very similar to Danzie. Y'all know I got the hookup. So we're going to go ahead and try her on, and my shirt is going to keep popping up, so just disregard y'all. So we're going to, let me get my mirrors right because I can't even see myself. We're going to go ahead and try her on. If my elbows is ashy, don't say nothing, sis. Don't say nothing. And y'all don't judge this wig right out the pack. All right, so this is it straight out the package, like straight out the package. Boom. Okay, so of course I'm going to do my tweaking to it. Here's the parting space. With that lace tint spray, it looks really good. It looks really good. I'm actually going to bring my cap down some. And it does not come with baby hairs. I went ahead and laid my own baby hairs, which is what I usually do for my synthetic wigs anyway. And let's see. I don't know if I want to do anything to that parting space. All right, I'm going to add some concealer to it and see if that's going to make a difference. And then I'm going to decide whether or not I want to pluck or not, because you don't always have to pluck your synthetic units. Most of them, especially if they're older, they do need to be plucked. But You really don't have to do all of them. Or at least I don't, girl. Y'all know I be doing my own thing. So I'm going to take my concealer. And this one's actually my darker concealer that I don't use that often. So it might not pop out like I want it to. Y'all, I am being so messy with this concealer. I am being so messy, y'all. Definitely should be neater than this in the part. I'm just throwing it in there. All right, now I'm gonna take this concealer and I'm gonna throw it right there. Throw it. Throw it right there. All right, y'all think it looks better? I do. It looks a lot more open. And I don't need it to be super duper open anyway because the curls are so thick back in here. It's not needed for the type of style I like. So I'm gonna take my Y2 comb. Y'all, I look crazy. I look crazy. I'm gonna take my Y2 comb and I'm just gonna start pulling. And y'all, please be reminded, I'm not combing through it. I'm just pulling it out, okay? I have to watch my little earring. But y'all, please be reminded, I am tall. My neck is long. So units all the time, a lot of the time. I won't say all the time, but a lot of the time, units come off looking way shorter on me just because my everything is so long. So this unit looks a little shorter on me, which I expected it would. But if you are a shorty subscriber, it's probably not going to look this short on you. Either way, I like it. It's cute. Like I said, Danzie was bomb, but Danzie was too much hair. Like, I could not wear Danzie to work at all. I don't even know if I could wear her like out. Like, it was just too much hair and too long for me. Some people love that type of look though, so don't knock it till you try it. Oh shoot, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and talk about, what am I looking at, y'all? I love this little curl in the front. That's so cute to me. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and talk about this unit. So, like I said, dupe, super affordable dupe. I think this wig is like $20 for the Sensationell Wet Lace Danzie. Now, this unit is by Motown Tress, girl. I don't do a lot of Motown Tress units. I don't know why, but I'm feeling them after trying this unit. So this is by Motown Tress, and this is their deep lace part wig with the C-curve deep lace parting. It's supposed to be 11 inches. That's what it says. Remember, guys, I'm so tall, so everything's going to look shorter on me. It is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. And it does have, supposed to have a deeper part for a more natural look. Now, I will say this part is pretty deep, but this hair is pretty thick. So it kind of like covers up like half the part. If you want that really, really deep part, of course you can pluck it, yada, yada, yada. Girl, I ain't doing that. Y'all know I'm not doing that. Like, my 3 wig goes easy, affordable, and cute. That's it. Okay, I'm not doing all that extra stuff. It looks good enough to me, Motown Tress. So y'all, this unit is in the color 1B. Let me just tell you a few things. This is the stock card, and this unit is big head friendly, y'all. It is big head friendly. It's not feeling tightness on me because y'all know your girl got a big old head, and no, it's not tight on me. I didn't have any shedding. I didn't have any tangling. So this hair is the bomb.com. Like, I love it. It's super free and gorgeous. It was 20 bucks. It's just nice, and you can really like trim it up to your liking. I think it's super fun and easy. This is perfect for the classroom, y'all, because one, it's not gonna get me all hot because it's not like hanging. I don't have to flip, and because y'all know, well, maybe y'all don't know, but my job, my life, I'm moving, I'm grooving, I'm grabbing this, I'm cleaning this, like, it's a lot. So to have hair you got to keep flipping back, girl, ain't nobody got time for that. So this is perfect, y'all. So this is DP Emma by Motown Tress. Again, this is the stock card. So yeah, y'all, bomb. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the next dupe for Danzie, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, girl, let's get into the next wig. So this one is a lace front wig. Girl, I just know this is gonna be bomb. Look at the curl pattern. Oh my gosh. This is a lace front wig. I have never tried this wig before. It does come with some really pretty curly baby hairs. Peep them baby hairs, like, yes. So this is the parting space. The parting space is all of that, y'all. Look at that. So it comes with 2 combs on either side of the part. It is, I think, made to be a middle part, but girl, ain't no telling how I'm finna wear it. And one come in the back, adjustable straps. Again, the cap, the hair is pretty thick, so it's hard for me to flip the cap, but y'all get the point. So I'm not gonna do a lot of fluffing yet, because I know this hair can get pretty big just based on how big it is now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on so you guys can see. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these baby hairs yet. I love this as a middle part. Y'all, this cap is tight though. I'm not even gonna flex. Like, my scalp is like, whoo, what you doing, girl? This is a little tight. Okay. So let me see about this. Yeah, we're gonna make that a little bit darker because my parting space was, this one is a little bit more transparent. Excuse me, y'all. So I'm just gonna make it a little darker, and that looks a lot better. I'm gonna bring my cap down a little. Yeah, this cap size is a little, it's definitely tighter than the first wig. I would still say big head friendly, just more secure. Like, your wig ain't going nowhere. I don't know what I'm gonna do about these baby hairs. I think I'm just gonna tuck them, because they are large and in charge for this wig. So I'm adding my concealer, and I'm mainly focusing on the line. Oh my gosh, y'all know my brush be going all types of ways when I do this. But I'm mainly focusing on the line of demarcation. And I'm done with that. So I'm gonna tuck my baby hairs because I already have my own laid, but I don't want to get rid of them. This is really cute as a middle part, but will I actually wear my wig like this? So here's the curl pattern, y'all. The curl pattern is nice. I'm gonna put these combs in because this wig is so secure that my wig is sliding back a little bit. All right. What do y'all think? This wig was super easy too. This is a really nice natural textured wig. I like this one better than Danzie because the length is not out of control. And also the hair, like, I'm pulling on it, but it's not gotten super huge yet, which I'm really feeling because, girl, when I tell you Danzie got huge, I barely even touched Danzie and it got huge. Let's go ahead and talk about this wig, y'all. Okay, so this is my first time trying this wig. This wig is by the company Sensationell. Let's just talk about it. So this is one of their textured lace wigs. It's so funny that I haven't tried any of their texture. I must have been asleep. I don't know. I totally missed it. But this is part of their Curl Kinks & Co. This is in the color F1B30. So yeah, this is supposed to be shifted 3 different ways. I like the middle part best on me. That is what I stuck with. I love the highlights of the 30 in the unit. I think that always just helps a very easygoing color pop. So that's why I was really interested in this color. And this is the unit that Samsbeauty actually sent me. But like I said, both units are available on their website. So this one, you guys, is actually the style game changer. So this is what the stock card looks like. And I already told you guys the cap size was just really bomb. Like, it's fitted, but I mean, it's snug, but it's like, why did I say cap size really bomb? What am I talking about? Girl, you review so many wigs. Okay. Like I said, you guys, the curl pattern is really bomb. This is definitely close to the Danzie Wig. I like this a lot better because it was easier for me to blend, of course, because it wasn't, you know, I don't have the glue. Y'all know I don't be doing all that glue and all that stuff. It was also, it's just keeping itself together more. Danzie was getting huger and huger, and I was barely even touching her, like not combing nothing, girl. She was getting out of control. I was like, whoa, Danzie's wearing me. I'm not wearing Danzie. So it was getting crazy. But this is very subtle and cute. It's big, but I don't feel like it's going to get huger and huger, like, upon every minute that I wear it. So that is why I'm really feeling this one the most. Also, the cap size, like I said, is snug, you guys, but it's definitely not going anywhere. And that's something that I can, sorry, y'all, I had to fix my, yeah. That's something that I can appreciate, as well as I didn't get any shedding or tangling, just like the first unit that we tried. Now with Danzie, I did get some snags. I did get some shedding. But I didn't get any with this unit. So I think these units are bomb dupes because they're both affordable. They're both less than Danzie. One of them is $20, y'all. Like, come on. Now, if you want to go get Danzie later, go for it, girl. But I ain't got it all the time. All right, I don't have it all the time. So sometimes you need a good little dupe to make it do what it do, especially if you're trying to get a style with an outfit, I match my wigs with my outfits. That's just me, okay? So, yeah, y'all. Definitely let me know what you think about these dupes. I really hope you guys appreciate and love this video. Do me a favor and go and share this video. And, of course, enter my free giveaway for this lace tint spray that I use in this review. Love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!